Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y90 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this smartphone. You need to start by accessing settings. Now scroll down and choose security section. Following that, you need to tap on app lock and choose enable. Then tap on one of those options, lock screen password or custom pin. I will go with custom pin, so I have to click on it. Then create my pin and repeat it. Now answer this security question and choose finish. If you don't like it, you can always click on it and tap on one of those. If you don't like any of them, just tap on the question, choose custom question and create your own. Now you need to save it by choosing OK and remember to answer it correctly below. Finally, tap on finish and tap on the switchers next to an app or apps that you wish to lock. I will go with maybe browser. So now when I click on home button and try to access browser app, as you can see, PIN is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!